For users of AutoCAD Plant 3D, commands like Quick ISO, Production ISO, and even PCF to ISO are pretty straightforward. But what most people don't know is that when you run these commands, Plant 3D actually launches a completely separate application that generates the isometric drawings. That application is located in the same folder where Plant 3D is installed, and it's called PnPIso.exe. Alongside it, you'll find a few other interesting tools that come with the Plant 3D installation, but we'll talk about those another time. So, how to use PnPIso.exe? First, you don't run it by double-clicking. Instead, you launch it from the command prompt because you need to pass a few parameters to it. Opening the command prompt is easy. Just type CMD into the folder's address bar, press Enter, and it'll open the prompt right in the correct directory. If you type the command followed by a slash and a question mark, you'll get a quick help guide showing which parameters you need. One of those parameters is the configuration file. You can find it right here in the folder structure. For example, if you want to create isometric drawings using the check_A2 style, you'll need to provide the full path to the isoconfig.xml file inside the check_A2 folder. Next is the input parameter. Here, you specify either a single PCF file or a folder containing multiple PCF files. It's important to point out that the isometric DWG drawings are generated based on PCF files, so you'll either point directly to a PCF file or to a folder that holds several of them. This part is also explained in the documentation. And finally, you have the output parameter. This is simply where you want to save your generated isometric drawings. Sounds simple, right? Well, in our next video, we'll show you exactly how it works with a real-world example. So, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to get a notification as soon as the video goes live. Now, you might be wondering, why go through all this when generating isometrics directly from Plant 3D is much easier? Well, because Plant 3D isn't the only Autodesk software that needs isometric documentation. You can actually generate PCF files from Inventor too, using the isogen output command in the pipe and tube environment. This means that for any assembly containing piping, you can generate PCF files and then create isometric drawings without even opening Plant 3D. Follow us on LinkedIn and YouTube so you don't miss out when we start testing this workflow.